2023 Dodge Challenger. With less than 27,000 miles on the odometer, this coupe is sleek and stylish with added comforts. You'll love this long list of impressive amenities, which include the following: premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, rear spoiler, auto climate control, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer. Visit us today. Your dream car is waiting.